How to adjust audio on Filmora. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to adjust audio on Filmora in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Filmora right here, and then as you can see, this is the home page. Now here is my audio that I want to adjust. If you want to adjust it, just right click on your mouse like this, and now you will have the option of adjust audio like this. Now you can fade in or even fade out, or change the pitch or the equalizer and the noise. As you can see, you have many options, and then click OK. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.